NextCash.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. And first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog that you're going to want to check out. All kinds of ways of making money, big money, small money, whatever. But we're going to talk about NextCash.co today. So let's take a look at this. All right, here we go. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably already know all about this kind of site like this. And let's just take a look at it anyways, if you're new here or haven't seen these kind of sites. Anyways, NextCash. All right, so they say make $300 daily. They claim to be the #1 influencer network that lets you monetize your friends and followers, get paid up to $15 for every follower or friend you invite. They usually offer you a sign-up bonus. Yeah, here's $25 sign-up bonus once you register. Then you just share your referral link at $10, blah, blah, blah. And by the way, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a place where you can share referral links for free without a website, all that good stuff, and a bunch of other cool cash apps where you can make some money today, right away, indeed. All right, and then they pay you with Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, or even a mailed check. All right, and then they go down here and can say, now this is where things get interesting, and I'm going to show you some facts, cold hard facts. Facts, as opposed to non-facts. So, what is this? $211 million they say they paid out. $211 million they paid out, they claim. All right, let's go down to the bottom of the page. Just a little bit of testimonials, whatever. So let's take a look at some facts here. All right, so today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2020, when I'm making this video. And the reason I'm telling you this is because on their About Us page, they say their story, they started in 2008. 2008. Now, NextCash.co. Let's take a look at when this website was registered. Oh, wow. February 21st, 2020. February 21st, 2020. That's what? 13 days from today? 13 days from today. Is it a scam? Is it legit? Let me know what you think in the comments. Let's go on. Okay, NetCash. Now here's something else that's interesting. If you go to some other, what I call red flags, these social network pages go nowhere. You click on them, they go nowhere. If you click on the ones on the bottom of their page, they just go actually to Pinterest itself, LinkedIn, nowhere. They don't even have their own profiles. Let's go to Pinterest real here. It just goes to Pinterest's homepage. All right, interesting. The next thing that I want to point out, payment proof. Lightbucks LLC. Lightbucks LLC. Paid on August 2019. August 2019. Wait a minute. The website was only created 13 days ago. Who's Lightbucks? That's another site that I reviewed a while ago. The same exact kind of site, making all these bold claims and all this stupid stuff. Same testimonials, pretty much. With over 3 million paid out. About, let's see, they don't have the date where they said they could say it here. Oh no, they said Lightbucks was founded in 2015. So what is going on here? Just a bunch of nonsense. Bunch of nonsense. Okay, so next up, the register page here. All right, let's go. I accept the terms of service, privacy policy, fraud policy. Let's click on the terms of service, terms and conditions, and read that. Oh wait, I can't because there isn't any. It goes back right to the sign up page. Back to the sign up page. Privacy policy. No, there isn't any. Sign up. Fraud policy. There isn't any. All right. So why are these sites around? That's the question people get. Well, a lot of times when you sign up, they have things inside where you could click on offers and spend money on those offers and they make money. They're never going to pay you. And like, it's funny too, because sometimes I post these videos and I get a lot of comments of bots comments saying that, no, it's legit. And I can see the stats of all of these bots because I can see how many subscribers they have, and they all come at the same time. You know, I don't want to show you that right now, but it's just ridiculous. And a lot of times too is they get your PayPal email address, they get all your email addresses, they try to hack into your PayPal, they try to do all this other stuff. It's just a scam, and there's all these red flags here that most people don't even look at that stuff. You know, most people just hit accept and register. You know, and that's the kind of people they want. People that aren't going to do the research on this stuff and notice that this is even a different company. They even have a different company down here. You know, it goes right back to their homepage, but it's a bunch of nonsense. It's just a bunch of nonsense. But anyways, let's take a look at some legitimate sites where you can start making some money today. So you just, you know, these are a bunch of different apps that I have that I refer people to that I make money from. And I have free stocks, I have Dosh, I have free cryptocurrencies, a bunch of different apps. These are all legitimate. They're all in the iOS and Android store. You know, Apple's very, you know, good at picking apps that aren't scams. So if they're, you know, if they're on Apple, plus they have, you know, really good reviews for these apps. Check these out. I have a link down below, and you could even use this website that you're looking at right now. It's called Kit, to promote your own affiliate links without a website. I do recommend having websites. I have many, but there's a bunch of apps here. You get, you know, $5 from here, money back from Uber and Lyft. Like I said, free stocks, Cash App, free food even. Rakuten, I've been using Pi to get free cryptocurrency mining on my phone. All kind of stuff. Check them out. Don't fall for the other scams. These NextCash.co, such a scam, such nonsense. All right, that is all for today. Check out my hundreds of other videos. Subscribe, hit to the channel, hit the notification bell. I will talk to you soon. Bye.